In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to update the firmware for your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series. The printer is already connected to our network, and you can actually do that through HP Smart app. So let's start up HP Smart. From HP Smart, click on the printer icon. Double click on it. Go to Advanced Settings. Under Advanced Settings, select Printer Update. Now, this is the current firmware version 2325BR, and this is the build date. So let's check for printer updates. There's an update available. Let's proceed with the update by selecting Yes. The update has been installed. And you can see the new firmware is 2350AR version with a build date as shown. So this is how you update your firmware for your HP DeskJet 2800 printer series.